Introducing a new era in leak testing. Robust, versatile, and built with a re-engineered touchscreen interface, the Sentinel IX5 pushes durability and test precision even further. With unmatched repeatability across pressure, flow, and vacuum testing, this is your leak test, light years ahead. Explore the future of leak detection with smooth and responsive touch interactions like never before, enhancing your productivity and making navigation a breeze. With a re-engineered user experience, the Sentinel IX5 makes leak testing faster, easier, and more intuitive than ever. Gain clear insights with real-time data stream visualization and graphical tools, allowing you to monitor and analyze data dynamically as it updates. The new Visual Sequence Creator allows you to build even the most complex test sequences with ease. With just a tap, you can select your test types and instantly view the entire flow, streamlining your setup and bringing clarity to every step. See your changes instantly with real-time previews, enabling you to perfect your sequences without guesswork. The Sentinel IX5 offers the full range of test types available in the Sentinel family, adapting to meet any testing need with precision. The IX5 combines multiple leak testing technologies like mass flow with absolute pressure decay or differential pressure in a single instrument, offering unmatched flexibility and maximizing testing efficiency. Get the support you need whenever you need it, with integrated tutorials and a responsive team ready to assist you. The Sentinel IX5's versatile leak testing technology adapts to a wide range of applications, delivering reliable, comprehensive testing solutions to meet your every requirement. Seamlessly integrate devices from the CTS accessory ecosystem to create the perfect system for your needs. With its advanced technology, user-friendly interface, and innovative features, the IX5 is designed to set a new standard in leak detection. But this is just the beginning. Discover even more ways the Sentinel IX5 can enhance your testing processes and drive results, bringing your leak testing light years ahead.